In this video, we'll see how to modify, or you can say how to format an already created artifact. So in the previous video, we have created one artifact that was HSBC bank app must have 3 types of accounts itself. So that is 2592. I found out that it is in the business rule folder. So once I click on that, okay, I'll be navigated to that particular artifact. Remember, artifact can be a textual, can be a diagram, can be an actor, vision, business rule, anything. So this is the artifact which is in the read only mode. But if you want to edit that artifact, you have to just click on this edit button on the right hand side. So I'll just click on this edit button. So it is, once you click on that, okay. So now if you see, this has become, now it is in the edit mode. My cursor is blinking at that place, and I have got a small toolbar which have loads of options there. Now this text, if I want to make into a heading, if I want to change font, size, many more things, I can do that. The very first thing is I have to select the entire text. I've selected the entire text, and now I can just increase the font from here, let's say 18. Now the font is there. If I want to, that was the font size. This was the font which I want to change, and that is the heading part or normal heading. Whatever I want, I can choose here, right? This way. So heading 2, there is something bold, italic, underline. The IBM Rational Dose Next Generation is trying to give you a feel of Microsoft Word or other open office tool itself. So they are trying to bring as much as possible all the options. So if I click on this bold, italic, underline and subscript, strike through, these are the options here. Similarly, you can see there are superscript and subscript, the options are given. So I'll just remove everything I do not want. But at any point of time, if you think it is not what I'm looking for, you want to remove entire formatting, you just click on this edit button, and you see there's an option as remove format. Okay. So if you click on this remove format, whatever formatting was applied will be gone away, right? Now if you see there's an edit button, inside that you have this undo and redo. Remember, undo, redo options, they have they have inserted in the newer version. In the previous version there was no undo redo. So if you just click on this undo, it will come back to the normal place. If you click on that place, again you have this redo shortcut. You remember, Ctrl Z for undo, Ctrl Y for redo. I'll press Ctrl Z. Now I do not want this formatting. I'll just select all, edit, and there's an option as select all, so I don't have to use my keyboard, and I can say as remove the format, remove format I've said. Similarly, I have the options as cut, copy, paste, same like in Microsoft Word. I can say as copy, and I can keep my cursor in the next place, and I can say as paste. Again, once I click on paste, it gives me a dialog box. Why? Because if you want to paste based on which operating system you're using, if you're using the Windows, you have to just press Ctrl V. But if you're using some other app, let's say, you have to press CMD plus V on the Mac itself, and I'll just click on OK. So this is the text which I've got as it is. Similarly, cut, copy, paste, paste as plain text. That means no formatting will be pasted, only a plain text will be pasted there. And the last one I have, that is find and replace. I have written, let's say, 50 lines in this business rule. I want to find and replace some text. So let's say I want to replace HSBC with HDFC, or let's say ICICI Bank. So I'll just click on this find and replace. I'll type here as HSBC. Now I want to replace this word with ICICI Bank, okay, and I can click on this find, replace all, many options are there. I'll directly click on replace all, and you see what happens. Click on replace all. So it says 2 occurrences replaced. You see there's a, yeah, and I'll click on this OK. You see ICICI Bank, it has been changed, HSBC to ICICI Bank, and I click on close. Okay. So this way we can just format the already created artifact. You can do some format changes like bold, italic, and you can also use this edit menu bar, which has recently been added in the newer version. So the next part we'll see in the later video, and that's all for this video.